HVAC skills. Every technician must learn. 2026. Hello everyone. Welcome back to HVAC official channel. If you want to become a successful HVAC technician or get a job in countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, Europe or Canada, you need more than just technical knowledge. Employers look for technicians who have the right practical skills, safety awareness, and problem-solving abilities. In this video, we'll discuss the 10 most important HVAC skills every technician must learn to build a successful career. Let's get started. Skill 1. Understanding HVAC fundamentals. Every HVAC technician should first understand the basic principles of heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration. A technician should know how the refrigeration cycle works, the functions of the compressor, condenser, expansion device, and evaporator, as well as concepts like heat transfer, pressure, temperature, superheat, and subcooling. These fundamentals are the foundation of all HVAC work. Skill 2. Reading HVAC gauges and instruments. An HVAC technician must know how to use common service tools correctly. This includes reading manifold gauge pressures, using digital thermometers, clamp meters, multimeters, vacuum gauges, and refrigerant charging scales. Accurate measurements help diagnose problems correctly and prevent unnecessary repairs. Skill 3. HVAC. Troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is one of the most valuable skills for any technician. Instead of replacing parts based on guesswork, a technician should follow a logical diagnostic process by checking airflow, electrical components, refrigerant conditions, and control systems to identify the actual cause of a problem. Skill 4. Electrical knowledge. Most HVAC systems depend on electrical components. A technician should understand electrical safety, voltage, current, resistance, continuity testing, wiring diagrams, contactors, relays, capacitors, overload protectors, motors, thermostats, sensors, and printed circuit boards, PCBs. Basic electrical troubleshooting is essential for repairing modern HVAC equipment. Skill 5. Refrigerant handling. Technicians should know how to recover, evacuate, leak test, and charge refrigerants correctly. They should also understand refrigerant safety, pressure-temperature PT relationships, and follow local environmental regulations and manufacturer procedures when handling refrigerants. Skill 6. Preventive maintenance. Regular maintenance keeps HVAC systems operating efficiently and reduces unexpected breakdowns. A technician should know how to clean filters, condenser and evaporator coils, inspect electrical connections, check refrigerant conditions, clean condensate drains, inspect fans, and perform routine maintenance according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Skill 7. Installation skills. Proper installation is just as important as repair work. A technician should know how to install indoor and outdoor units, prepare refrigerant piping, perform correct flaring, pressure test the system with nitrogen where required, evacuate the system using a vacuum pump, and commission the equipment according to the manufacturer's instructions. Skill 8. Understanding commercial HVAC systems. As technicians gain experience, they should understand commercial HVAC equipment such as air handling units, AHUS, fan coil units, FCUs, chillers, cooling towers, package units, VRF, VRV systems, and ventilation systems. This knowledge opens more career opportunities in commercial and industrial projects. Skill 9. Communication and customer service. Technical skills alone are not enough. A professional technician should communicate clearly with customers, explain faults honestly, recommend appropriate solutions, prepare basic service reports, and maintain a professional attitude at the job site. Good communication builds customer trust and supports career growth. Skill 10. Safety awareness. Safety is one of the most important responsibilities of an HVAC technician. Proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE, safe electrical isolation, correct ladder usage, careful handling of refrigerants, and following workplace safety procedures help prevent accidents and protect both technicians and equipment. These are the 10 essential HVAC skills every technician should learn to succeed in the HVAC industry. By developing strong technical knowledge, troubleshooting ability, electrical skills, refrigerant handling techniques, installation experience, preventive maintenance practices, and professional communication, you can become a more confident technician and improve your chances of getting HVAC jobs anywhere in the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC official channel.